Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to this video and let's continue our kanji studies. Today we are going to learn few more kanjis from Nihongo Somatome, week 1, day 4. Okay. The first kanji for today is sen. Now this sen is not for thousand. Even if the reading is same, this sen is for line. You might have heard these words like Hibiya-sen, Tozai-sen, Namboku-sen. These are different metro lines. So that sen is for line. Ban-sen. When it comes with the number, say Ichiban-sen, Niban-sen, we are referring to that number platform, that number line. Okay. Ichiban-sen ni Tsugi no densha ga tochakushimasu. So now the next station is coming on platform number 1. This is the announcement. This sen is for line. See the kanji symbol. This is the radical of thread, then mizu and shiro, white. Okay, you can split this kanji into 3 parts for remembering it. The next one is men. Now zen men is hole. Gamen is screen. Now this is gamen, screen. Homen is area. Now this is a kanji, reads as men. Okay. See the kanji symbol, there are 9 strokes, lot of boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and something like a handle. Okay. So zenmen, gamen, homen. These are the words. Next one is fu. Now this fu from futsu. Futsu is ordinary. You might have heard this word in the context of train. Futsu is ordinary train, local train. Or futsu is usual. Now see this. Now this part is there in the kanji of narabemas. This kanji is the kanji of narabemas, to line up. And this he or sun kanji. So this kanji is made up of 2 kanjis, narabemas and sun. That is reading as fu. The next one is kaku. Kanji reading as kaku. Kakueki. Kakueki is every station. Kakueki Teisha is the train which stops at every station. Again, this word also you will get to hear in train announcements. Kakueki Teisha, the train which stops at every stop, every station. Then Kakkoku, each country. Now this is for each or every. Koku, country. This kanji is of kuni. Kakkoku, each country. Kakuji, respective, each person. Kakuji. Again, this we have discussed kanji from Jido, Jibun, Jishin, Ji. Kakuji, respective or each person. Now this kanji is something similar to the kanji of Mei from Meishi. This is Mei. It's similar but not same. Or in the word Namae, this reads as Na. Can you make out the difference? Here this is Ta, like katakana Ta, or the kanji of evening, okay, you. But here it is different. It is something like Fuyu. Fuyu. This upper part is similar to this. But the part below, here only 2 strokes. This is kanji of Fuyu. This is kanji of Kaku. And this is Meishi or Namae. See, these 2 kanjis, 3 kanjis rather, are different. Then next one is Ji or Tsugi. Tsugi no densha. Tsugi is next. This kanji also reads as Ji, Mokuji, content. Then Jikai, next time. Kai is number of times, right? So Jikai, next time. Tsugi is next. Now see this kanji, these 2 strokes and this part. Simple kanji, only 6 strokes. Please write it and remember. Now next is Kai. Kaisoku. Kaisoku is rapid. This is a mistake here. Kaisoku is rapid train. This word kanji reads as kai and soku for hayai, that is fast. So this kaisoku is rapid. Okay. This word here should be rapid. So this kanji plus the next one, which is soku or hayai, gives the word kaisoku. This hayai is fast. There are two words, hayai meaning early and hayai meaning fast. Hayai, early, the kanji is different. Hayai meaning fast, this is the kanji where you have this road symbol and this part. Kosoku doro. Kosoku, highway. Kosoku doro. High speed road is highway. Doro is road. This is the kanji of Michi. So kosoku doro, highway. Sokudo, speed. Do for number. Ichido, nido. This do for number. Sokudo, speed. Counting the speed is sokudo. And hayai is fast. Let me write the other kanji of hayai, which is early. So this is the kanji for hayai, early. And this is the kanji for hayai, meaning fast. Then next one is ka or sugiru. Tsuka is passage or transit. Some trains which do not stop at particular station, it's like tsukashimasu. So it just passes that station, crosses that station, but it will not stop at that station. That is tsuka. Sugiru, to pass. This sugiru is exceed or going ahead or pass. Then kako is past. Kako. So this kanji reads as sugiru or ka as well. The next one is tetsu. Chikatetsu, subway. Tetsudo, railway. Now this tetsu is basically for steel or metal. So chikatetsu, underground metal track is subway. Then tetsudo is railway. And tetsu is steel. Only this kanji will read as tetsu, meaning steel. So we have seen sen, men, fu, kaku, ji or tsugi, kai, soku or hayai, ka or sugiru, and tetsu. Now see, in this tetsu kanji, this kin is there. The kanji of gold, kin. Yes. Now let's read these words. Sen, nani nani sen, hibiya sen, or tozai sen. Agari homen, upcoming trains. So first one is senpatsu. The one which is coming earlier will be futsu. Futsu is ordinary train, local train. This is the time, and this will mention the name of the station where it is about to go. Okay. Then kakueki ni tomarimasu. Kakueki is each station. So it will stop at each station. This is the description for this train, which is futsu. Next is jihatsu kaisoku. This is the time, and this is the name of the station where it is bound to go. Kono eki o tsukashimasu. Tsuka is pass or transit. So this train passes this station, will be tsukashimasu. Chikatetsu sen. And metro line, for this particular line, you have to go on this side. Chikatetsu nani nani sen. Yes, understood. So we have seen all these kanjis. Please try reading more and more words when you go, when you travel. Please try to look for these words, try to read these words written in kanjis, and that way you are going to get more and more practice. See you in the next video with some more kanjis. Arigatou gozaimasu.